I am Hitesh Patel, Bizagi BPM developer at Nividas Software Solution. Presenting this on the behalf of the team Nividas as a part of Bizagi Hackathon 2020 in the most innovative Bizagi connector category. IBM Watson Assistant Connector. Let's see first, what is IBM Watson Assistant? Watson Assistant is IBM's AI product that lets you build, train, and deploy conversational interaction into any application, device, or channel. There are three easy steps to create a virtual assistant in IBM Watson Assistant. First, create intents and entities, build your dialog, and test your dialog. IBM Watson Assistant Connector. This connector provides integration between Bizagi and IBM Watson Assistant. This connector provides the administrative service to client while operating outside of the client's office. This connector is used to create conversation applications like Chatbot, Virtual Assistant. Some examples are banking chatbot, retail chatbot, generally used in e-commerce application, HR chatbot, technical help desk chatbot. Now I'm going to demonstrate this connector using the technical help desk process. In this process, a user can raise a technical support ticket for any hardware or software related issue to the technical assistant. The technical assistant can ask more questions to the requester, and this conversation continue until the issue is resolved. Now, in the same process, before raising the support ticket to the technical assistant, user can interact with the virtual assistant, that means chatbot, and ask his questions. Requester doesn't need to raise a support ticket if he gets a solution from the virtual assistant. Else, virtual assistant will raise a support ticket on behalf of the requester and continue the process. Let's configure IBM Watson Assistant Connector into the Bizagi. Open the Bizagi Studio, go to the Expert menu, click on External System, select the connector and expand to the version. Select Watson Assistant Connector, click on the Properties. In the Open dialog, you have to set few parameters: version, skill or workspace ID, API key, and service URL. Click OK. Setting up connector into the Bizagi helpdesk process. Open the Bizagi form. Go to the action and validations. Select execute connector command. Select connector. Select action. Click next. Map your input parameters. Map your question as an input request string. Map context of your previous question. Click next. Map your output parameters. Map text as a response of your question. Map generic, which contains the multiple option value as well as images at extra. Map the context that will be used for your next question. Select error handling action and click finish. It's time to run the process. Run the project. Create a new case, technical help desk. Once you create a new case, virtual assistant will be available to help your queries and you can ask questions. In this chat window widget, you can see all the chat history. That widget is also created by us for the better UI experience. Let me ask my problem. Yeah, I'm having an issue with my headphone. Yeah, so once I submit the question, I get the response. Can you please check your headphone is plugged in? Yes, my headphone is plugged in. Again, please give me some suggestions. Please go to the control panel, sound, and set your headphone as a default device. Let me type same issue. I'm having the same issue. Yeah, so the response, a support ticket needs to be raised by clicking on the create ticket button below. Do you want me to raise a ticket for you? Yeah, yes, please raise for me. Yeah, so once I click send, a system will automatically create a ticket and open a support ticket registration form in which user can enter subject, discussion, attachment, and submit the request. User or technical assistant also can see the history, a chat history that we had with the virtual assistant. Let me create a new case. Let the same virtual assistant appear again. Let me ask one another question. Driver problem in my laptop. Yeah, what is your laptop manufacturer's name? Dell. Something. Yeah, so it returns me a link in which I can diagnose my problem. Yeah, so this is the diagnosis portal of Dell in which I can diagnose my problem and I can install all the drivers. Yeah, let me type thanks. Issue resolved. Send. Yeah, so once I click the send button, I get the response. Great. Would you like to cancel this ticket? Yeah, now the issue is resolved. I want to cancel the ticket. Yes, I want to cancel. Once I click send, it will cancel the case. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching.